if they want to hire you for the boat, what number they should call you in advance?
Better to check TripAdvisor, Lady Blue.
Lady Blue. Oh, that's the name, the Lady Blue. Where we're going now today?
Today first I will show you on the map. On the map, yeah.
Okay.
So first we are starting from Kotor, going
Yes.
to Perast, Lady of the Rock.
Yes.
This will be first stop. This is Catholic Church.
The Lady of the Rock.
Yes, Lady of the Rock.
How long are we gonna stay there?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes, okay.
20 minutes up. We continue down. On the back we continue down to the open sea. On the way there we have one submarine base.
Submarine base,
Yes.
okay.
Island Mamula. This is old prison. We make around and look here if you want to swim possible inside, or I can stop on the beach. In Yugoslavia we use a submarine base. We have 3 here. In Montenegro we have 3 like this, and total in all Yugoslavia 20.
20
20, yes.
submarine base. And this is, are we going to Mamula?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
we can stop over there?
No, I can make around. They are building now a hotel there, so we cannot stop. There down. This what you see?
Yeah?
This belongs to Croatia.
That belongs to Croatia.
And the border between Montenegro and Croatia is around where is this yacht there.
Yeah.
So this is the road where is the border between Montenegro and
Yeah.
Croatia. Here we have the island. It's a name Mamula.
Mamula.
Yes. First and Second World War used as a small prison for the people who lives here in this area. It's built by, but that time built by one general. His name is another man. Yes, yes.
Oh, that's why he put his name there.
Yes. Now, usually I talk here, people can visit, it's very interesting inside to visit, but 2 years ago they closed, somebody buy and maybe next few years will be hotel.
Ah, so now this is now a private property. Ah, okay.
This I don't know, but on the internet if you check, you have project how should be. How should be the hotel. So
Ah,
same like this, only inside they change. They cannot change
The structure.
the structure.
But they just have to.
They will change inside. The structure will be the same.
Yeah.
So this is the island of Montenegro, and that one is Croatia.
So that when we go back, we stop in Perast, old town. You can walk, see the town.
The Perast. Okay. Okay, that's very nice. So that will be the tour. So where are we now?
This is Perast old town. We will stop about 20 minutes and we
Okay.
go back to Kotor.
Okay.